All right, trip number 2 to get in. This trip is the piglet and the intake hose. The rest of it's already down at the river where I want to dig. It's gonna be difficult. There's a lot of groundwater already. We've been getting a lot of rain, just as predicted. Because trestle, where we've been for the last 2 weeks, is now in 2 feet of water, at least. So, we're somewhere else. Time for the video. Woo! Hey everybody, Burrow here. It's Mining Monday! And I'm here by myself again with the piglet once again. But we're at 100 buckets. No more trestle for the rest of the season. Because right now it is under 2 feet, as I just said before, 2 feet of water. Let's, I believe it is about breakfast time. Woohoo! Yeah. I mostly have the whole thing just about set up. Get her angled and leveled, angled. And then I want to try out a new toy today. I have, besides new boots, I have a Cross Tour mini action camera. So I'll be using this for the action shots. Pretty cool. Full-size screen on the back. Yeah. It's like a cheaper version of the GoPro. Even used ones, GoPros are like 200 bucks. No way. But you'll be seeing shots from this from now on. Yeah. You can thank the girlfriend for this. She's the one who got it for me for my birthday. She wanted to be out here today, but due to some medical issues, she wasn't able to come out today. Been battling some ER visits all weekend and the week. So she wanted to be out here, but unfortunately she couldn't make it. It's also the reason why I don't have a total for last week's cons. The time that I wanted to take to pan out all the cons, we spent in the ER. So there's that. But we're here at 100 buckets, right where I'm saying I want to dig. Because the hole there, underwater. Hole back there from last time Mike was here, underwater. So right here, there's some big old boulders. Let's find that gold. Let's see if it's right freaking here. Let's get to it. Woo!
Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Gonna find her. Yeah, I've been searching. I'm searching. Oh yeah, searching every which way. Oh yeah, searching. I'm searching. Searching every which way. But I'm like that northwest mountain. You know I'll bring her in someday. Gonna find her. Well, now if I have to swim the river, you know it. And if I have to climb a mountain, you know it. And if she's hiding up on a blueberry hill, am I gonna find a child? You know will, 'cause I've been searching. Oh yeah, searching. My goodness, searching every which way. But I'm like that northwest mountain. You know I'll bring her in someday. Gonna find her. Well, Sherlock Holmes, Sam Spade, got nothing, child on me. Sergeant Friday. street like bulldog drumming. 'Cause I've been searching, oh Lord, my searching. Child, searching every which way. But I'm like that north with my head. You know I'll bring her in sometime.
Yeah, this is a quick test pan after doing a tailings test, which showed nothing, so I was curious if I'm digging anything at all. And kinda. It's not much. Super fines. Oh, everything is buried in water. Alright, it's getting close to noon now. I've done a quick tailings test. Not a speck in the tailings. That can mean two things right now. Is that I have my angle set up perfectly, or there just isn't enough gold to be flushed out of the system. That close to 100% is being captured in the box. What do you think is which one it is? I don't think there's enough gold in these buckets to be able to be flushed out of the machine. Lots of black sands and garnets, but there was no gold in it. Time for a lunch break. Time for some nutrients.
It's 12 o'clock and it's a wonderful day. I know you hate me, but I'll ask anyway. Won't you come with me to a place in a little town? The only way to get there's to go straight down. There's no bathroom and there is no sink. The water out of the tap is very hard to drink. Very hard to drink.
Alright. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's just starting to rain. And I kind of want to call this my last bucket. I'm tired. I got 3 hours of sleep last night. My back has had it. So this is the last bucket today. I'm gonna go back to bed and sleep some more. Don't bother me, I'm resting. Maybe just find a rock out here and sleep for a while. Well, it isn't too impressive. Kind of more on the disappointing side, but we didn't run a whole lot of buckets today. But there is still some good gold. Yeah, it'll do. That's the top box. Probably isn't going to be a whole lot in the bottom mat. And that's most of the bottom box. Yeah, it's alright. It'll do for the day. I'm ready to go home. Plus I'm oh, now I'll tell that. I'll reveal that information later in the end video. Alright everybody, final video, final nutrients. Not the best of days for gold wise, but just wasn't feeling it today. This week has me beat. So tired. Gonna sleep well tonight, that's for sure. Maybe next week I'll have a little more sleep beforehand and I'll have more energy. Woo! I work nights, so going from a night shift sleep schedule to a day shift, it's kind of tough. But here I am still. Funny story. On every Mining Monday, I post on Instagram, intro video or look out for a video coming up kind of thing. Unfortunately, the audio came back as mental issues. No. Wasn't mental issues. It's medical issues. Medical, not mental. Freaking bugs. But yeah, I'm going to leave here. I'm heading over to go chat with Magic Mike for a few minutes. He's going to be taking one of his friends or a buddy of his out digging, so he is taking the machines for this week. I don't know if I'll have the piglet for next Monday. I don't know. But yeah, let's go see Magic Mike for a few minutes. And as always, folks, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so very much. It means a lot to me. And Magic Mike, and everybody else that comes along with us, like Hawkeye, Moss Boss, who hasn't been around for a while. You better be still watching. Need you out here again. But, yeah. I hope you have a good week, folks. Take care. We'll see you next time.